Have you been looking for that perfect Oakville starter townhome? Look no further. This exceptional townhouse offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and tons of great living space. Come on, let's take a look.
Say my name. I'm in the say my name. I'm in the say my name.
The freshly renovated kitchen space is just off your main floor living area. It also has a fantastic large dining area, so you could easily accommodate up to 8 people. The generous backyard space offers you lots of room for entertaining. It has direct access to visitor parking, and it's just off of your beautiful walkout basement.